Hello everybody, it's me, Goodwin here.
And Carlee from 12. Today we're going to be making some slime from this slime gloop stuff. And on my channel we'll be making 2 of these. Let's get making some slime. We go warm this up. So let's get started. So we're going to be making, there's a bunch of different slime recipes, but we're going to be doing the ooey gooey glow slime, right? Yeah. And so the first step is fill a disposable cup with 40 milliliters of warm water using the provided spoon. Perfect. That's actually perfect. So now we will take a leveled spoonful out of this. Oh, it dissolved, I think. Never mind. We need the champion stirrer. Is it dissolved?
Pretty much.
Okay, so we're going to set that right there. Sorry about that. That might have been blocking your view of me, and I'm beautiful. I'm back. So Allie had to get the cups because I'm way too short. She's taller than me and I'm older than her.
We're back.
Yeah, after some intermission.
Yeah.
Sunburns.
Yeah, sunburns.
The painful story.
Water parks.
That's what we did for my birthday. We went to Parrot Island.
Alright.
Step 2.
Yeah.
Fill a second cup with 25 milliliters of warm water.
Good luck.
How does your microwave work?
Fill a second cup with 40 milliliters of warm water. Measure and pour 26 milliliters white glue.
Wrong. Now, slowly pour this and this. Here, you pour, I stir.
Okay. Ready? Yay.
Go.
Yay.
Oh, it's already thickening up.
You guys want to see it without the lights on?
I can't.
It might have worked.
You turn off that one and I'll try to turn off this one. Does it glow?
Nope. Are we an SMR?
Are we famous yet?
Yeah. Do we have like over 1 million subscribers?
This feels like a peep.
Okay guys, we finished it. Luckily, this is how it turned out. A mess on the table.
And something that feels like a peep.
Yeah, it does kind of feel like a peep. But it's probably because we are weird and we don't know how to do that.
I may have added too much glue.
Guys, one tip, don't go to Walmart looking for the glue, the slime thing.
Take some glue, Elmer's preferably. Take some Elmer's glue, put it in a bowl, add food coloring. You can add shaving cream and stuff like that. But just normal, just glue and detergent. It works way better.
Yeah.
Way better.
Well,
I wonder if this sticks.
ow! Ow! My sunburn! Ow! Ow!
Cut the camera! Cut the camera!
Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Tell us down in the comments below how you make your slime.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Go watch the videos on my channel.
Yeah. Okay, we will be doing a collab with Carlee. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good dang bye.
Y'all have a fun day.